Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. So we are going to be talking about home decor and 4th of July decorations. So I want to show you how to make this decoration for your lanterns. So in order to create this, you would need a foam block or even regular styrofoam will work for this. An assortment of red, white, and blue flowers that you want to use. I also am going to be putting a candle and some flags inside, as well as I made this bow that I am going to be sticking on top. So first things first, you want to make sure that your foam block fits inside of the space you're going to be working in. So for mine, I needed to make sure that I have 1.5 inches on every side, from the front to the back and both sides. I need 1.5 inches of space because my flowers are going to protrude by that much. So make sure that your foam block will accommodate the flowers that you're going to be adding around your base, so that when you go to close it in, none of your flowers are smashed. And then I have already prepared my stems and cut them. And I left them about 2 inches long, 1.5 to 2 inches. Okay, so to start, I'm always gonna have my white in the middle on each side, and I'm going to keep the other red and blue consistent on both sides going up the same side. So I'm gonna keep my red on this side, and my blue on that side. That way when I move to the top, this will also be a red, white, and a blue on this side. And when I do this part, I do angle that side in, so you can see it kind of closes that gap at the corner if you angle the flowers in on that hard side. And then again, I'm gonna angle this side in like this, so that it kind of closes that side. Okay, and that way it's red, white, and blue all the way around. Now, to do the top part, what I'm going to do is set my candle atop there and make sure I have enough space going around this way. But I'm also going to make sure that my top flowers line up with my color here. And again, I am going to be angling this down in there like that. I'm going to keep my white in the middle and then my red on this end. All right, and there you have it. So I also kept some of the stems with the leaves on them, so that if there was a small little gap space that maybe some of the green is still showing through from the base, I'm just going to stick this in here like this and fill in that space and cover it up a little bit. Now, if you don't want to add the greenery, or if your flowers are definitely bushy enough, this is a step that you can skip. But I'm going to add a little bit of greenery to mine. So now we're just going to place this inside of the lantern. Hey guys, so sorry I lost a bit of my footage when I was placing the finished piece inside the lantern, but go ahead and just place it inside and put your flags right next to your candle. So this is the finished product. I did take time to fluff my bowl, and I am very pleased with the way that this turned out. I will be setting it with the rest of my 4th of July decorations. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to click on that bell icon, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.